Welcome to Sedona, Arizona, everyone. This is the next Crip Rhinos adventure. My girlfriend and I drove out yesterday from California all the way to Sedona, Arizona, and we're here right now. This is our first morning here, and check out this rock formation right here. These views around Sedona are just unbelievable. We're just so stoked to come here right now. We're just checking out a Buddhist temple, and this is the view that we get. This is so amazing, guys.
It's really breathtaking.
We're stoked. Anyways, check out this view right here, guys. All of this right here. You're gonna see us do a lot of hikes. You're gonna see us go to a lot of cool places, some shops, and just a lot of good aerial footage from my drone. So check it out, guys. Check out the footage. Heading up right now to the Buddhist temple that's up here on this trail that Megan found online.
Yep.
It was right next to our Airbnb, so we're right next to all these cool red rocks. I love the color of the rocks here. The color red, it's like the orangish red. It's absolutely beautiful, and you see every mountain around here full of that color rocks. Seems like we made it to the temple, guys. I'm being a little quiet around here just because there's some other people enjoying it as well. And here it is. This is where Walt Disney came. He literally stood right where we're standing right now, and you got the vision of Big Thunder Mountain roller coaster at Disneyland. Look how amazing Sedona is, everyone. Right now, it's a little stormy out right now. There's been a couple of thunderstorms hitting us, but the sun is coming up right over there, but look at this view. All that red rock and throughout that valley right there, it just keeps going. All right now we're on Summit Trail, which is the other side of Sedona, and you're gonna see an amazing view. You have a bunch of different viewpoints up here. There's parking available, and check it out in front of us. We made it to the top of Summit Trail, guys. I mean, look how amazing it is. Right now we're in the sun, and the other rocks is in the shade right now, but just, you seriously have a view all the way around you up here. It's just unbelievable. It only took us 5 minutes to get up here. It was so cool.
Yeah, it was super quick.
Yeah, super quick, and like you just see everything. Like just, I mean, you guys can see this. Look how amazing this is. You seriously have a perfect, amazing view all the way around you guys. It's just so incredible here. We like it so much. The rocks right here are so smooth and comfortable. You can literally have like a back rest and everything, and we're just relaxing right now. Just, you know, just looking at Sedona, just seeing how incredible it is. Sedona is so beautiful, guys. Like, I'm surprised this place hasn't been marked as a national park yet. This place is unbelievable. Alright guys, we're gonna try the airport loop right here. Looks like it goes around this rock. Again, you have an amazing view on the side right here. I have two amazing views to look at right here. So look how amazing it is, guys. This little trail is like a little slanted, so you might experience some ankle rolling, so just make sure you have your shoes on tight and just careful where you're stepping. Check this out, Cathedral Rock. It's a really famous hike and trail up here in Sedona, Arizona. And you can see right there, you can see all the people going up, all right there. It's crazy. Sedona is known for their epic sunsets, so I think we might be able to see that, but we'll see. Anyways, guys, Cathedral Rock, it is absolutely incredible here. It's a big butte around here in Sedona, but this hike's gonna be crazy, so let's check it out, guys. Let's see you at the top. This is cool. Alright. So right now I'm gonna get to the steep spots right now, so we're just getting prepared for that. Right here. Wow. This is so cool, guys. It's freaking exhausting, but we're doing a good job. Right there. We've been hiking for about 20 minutes, 25 minutes probably, but we're just so close. I think we're more than halfway there now. Let's do it. Gosh, this view is so incredible. I just can't get over it. I can like sit here for the rest of the day just looking at this view. It is unbelievable. little skitsy, but it's so cool. Look at that view. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I mean, look how my feet have to go like this. Like that. Then you get that view. All right, we made it all the way to the top of Cathedral Rock. It was pretty tough, but guess what? We're going down right now, and look at this view on our way down. Also, to note this, Sedona is a very, very spiritual town. I mean, when you come here, you can just see it right away. If you see behind us, like what you saw up on the hill right there, it's very, very spiritual.
They said, the locals say that Cathedral Rock is a vortex, which is very like spiritual and it's high energy. So
we just did the Cathedral Rock. You guys should definitely do it. Come here, check it out sometime. It's awesome.